morning. This is a video to show you how you can use Powtoons in your classroom. Powtoons is a presentation software tool where students can create animated presentations through the Powtoons software. The first thing to know about Powtoons is that there is a paid subscription for it, but there is also the free subscription. Please make sure that you go through the differences between the paid and free subscription so that you can know which tool would be the best for you. The first thing I'm going to do after that is I'm going to click on Login. Make sure that you sign up if you've never signed in before, and I'm going to click on Google. So what's really nice is that it gives you through a walkthrough tutorial. So we can start from scratch. We can build a scene, we can build a story scene by scene, or you can customize a popular template. I'm going to actually start from scratch. The first thing that's really important is that you first write out a script or a storyboard for how you are going to create your Powtoons. As you can see, it takes just a minute or so to load up. So you can see here in the middle of your screen is where your first slide will be. You can see I can hover over different parts of the slide and I can pop those out or change those. On the left side, I can add additional slides. On the right side is where I can add different backgrounds, text features, characters, objects, etc. So I'm going to start and I'm just going to choose this one here and I'm going to add a title. And I just wrote in Powtoons tutorial. I'm going to add my next slide. And here I'm going to start adding some characters to my page. I'm going to switch this on, click on some characters. There we go. So you can see we have a bunch of free characters and then there are ones that are paid for. So I'm just going to stick with my free ones and I'm going to go into Pleasant here and I'm going to choose this character. As you can see, you can change the position of the character and have them running throughout, walking, etc. I'm going to add another character and I'm going to have him waving. Hello. There we go. So now we have our two characters on the page. You can also change the position of your character once you've put them in there. You can swap this character out. You can move this object from one point to another. So from point A to B. And then we have, sorry, I'm just going to put him back here, point A to B. Okay. And then we have some more tools where we have some animation settings. You can choose to loop your character, play your character just for a little while. So I'm going to play him in a loop. And you also have the ability to change your text and add different objects. So I'm going to click on text. I'm going to add a bubble here. And I'm going to have her say, sorry, hello. So this is a little too big. I'm going to make her a little bit smaller here. Smaller, say, grab it by the corners. There we go. Make it a little bit smaller. Perfect. So, as you can see at the bottom, I have my character running. This is the timeline for your time sequence. So if I go back to the beginning and I click on play, you can see, nice and easy, your characters are moving around. You can change the speed if you want, and some other settings as well. You also have additional features on the right side where you can add sound, graphs, and special effects. If you have any questions or would like to use this tool with your students, please feel free to email me. I look forward to working with you in the future.